In the world of high-end photography, there is a red that represents more than just a brand. It represents a century of history, a specific way of seeing the world, and a refusal to follow the herd. But as we sit here in 2026, a storm is gathering over Wetzlar, Germany. For 70 years, the Leica M system has been the gold standard of the analog-digital hybrid, the rangefinder. But the rumors leaking out of Leica Park right now aren't just about a new camera. They are about a fundamental shift in what a Leica M is allowed to be. We are talking about the Leica M12. This isn't just an upgrade. It is a calculated gamble that could either secure Leica's dominance for another decade or alienate the purists who have kept the brand alive. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you've ever held an M-series camera, or if you've spent your life dreaming of owning one, you need to hear what is coming, because the M12 is about to break the most sacred rules in photography. For a long time, the Leica M lived by a code: manual focus, optical viewfinders, and a stubborn resistance to modern conveniences. We saw the jump to 61 megapixels with the M11, but the soul of the machine remained unchanged. However, the M12 is reportedly the turning point. The biggest whisper circulating through the elite photography circles in the US and Europe isn't just about the resolution, it's about the heart of the camera, the sensor. For the last generation, Leica relied on Sony's world-class CMOS technology. But Dr. Andreas Kaufmann has dropped a bombshell. Leica is developing its own sensor again. A true Leica sensor, engineered between Wetzlar, Germany, and Antwerp. This isn't just a technical detail, this is a declaration of independence. By moving away from off-the-shelf sensors, Leica is aiming for a look that hasn't been seen since the days of CCD, a color science and micro-contrast that Sony sensors simply cannot replicate. They are chasing the magic again. But why now? Why spend hundreds of millions on a custom sensor when Sony already makes the best in the world? Because the M12 is being positioned as a digital film machine. In a world where AI-generated images and hyper-processed smartphone photos are everywhere, the American collector and professional are craving authenticity. The M12's rumored 60 to 70 megapixel triple-resolution sensor isn't about bragging rights. It's about a specific texture. Reports suggest this new sensor has been designed to handle light at extreme angles, specifically to cater to the legendary M-mount lenses of the 1950s and 60s. This is the machine that will make your vintage sub-micron look better than it ever did on film. The most controversial leak, the one that has caused thousands of heated debates on Reddit and Leica forum, is the Viewfinder. For 70 years, the optical rangefinder has been the M's identity. But as our eyes get older and technology gets faster, the limitations of an optical patch are becoming clear. The M12 is rumored to feature a hybrid viewfinder, a world first for the M system. Imagine the crystal-clear glass of a traditional rangefinder that can, with a flick of a switch, transform into a high-resolution 5.7 million dot electronic display. Purists are calling it blasphemy. Leica calls it evolution. This would allow for perfect manual focus peaking while still maintaining the both eyes open shooting style that street photographers live by. If Leica pulls this off, they have solved the biggest hurdle to M system entry. Let's talk about the body. The M system has always been a brass and glass affair. But in 2026, weight is the